guys, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome to my channel Faith and Flower. This is Robin. We just spent the last few days at the beach, and this is the state of my laundry room when I got back. We just sort of use this as a dumping ground, and so I need to get caught up on all the laundry and get things sorted out, so that's what we're going to do in today's video. Last night when we got home, I went ahead and put in all of the towels, and I moved those over to the dryer before I left this morning to take my son to school and started another load. So I'm just going to fold those towels and then move everything else over to the dryer and get another load going. Now that this next load is finished, I'm going to remove everything. That's all of our swimsuits and swim shirts. I'm going to let them dry outside on the drying rack. I always sort our laundry into whites, lights, and darks, and I'm starting with the whites, and I'll wash them on a high heat setting. Lately, I've been using the Method laundry detergent and fabric softener. I have it in the mango scent and I absolutely love it. It's been working so well and it smells amazing. I've been buying all of my cleaning products from the Grove Collaborative. They're an amazing company, so convenient, and they have the best natural products for cleaning your home. If you haven't tried them before, you are welcome to use my referral code, which I will link below. And when you use that, you can receive a 5-piece free gift set if you're new to the Grove Collaborative. Right now, I just need to sort through some of the things that we dumped in here last night. A lot of them are things that we can use on our next beach trip, so I'm just going to put them back in the garage. And then I'm going to empty our cooler and clean it out to get it ready for the next time we need it. By now, all of the ice is melted in the cooler, so I just want to dry off all the cans that we didn't use and put them back in our spare refrigerator that we have here in our laundry room. Just in case you're wondering, the ones that I'm setting on top of my dryer are empty, so they are going to go in the trash. I'm using my Mrs. Smyers all-purpose spray to clean the cooler both inside and out. Just going to set the cooler down in here, open it up and let it air out, and then I will put it back in the garage when it's all dry. I set up my drying rack outside, out of the sun, to dry our bathing suits, cover-ups, and swim shirts. And it works great out here because our weather is pretty dry, and so I expect these to be dry in just a few hours, and then I can use the drying rack for some of my other clothes. already moved the whitewash to the dryer and they're ready now, so I'll take those out and fold them and move the things in the washer over to the dryer and get the last load of our dark clothes in there. The last thing I plan to wash today are my delicate items, and they're the things that are sitting on top of the washing machine. This is really pretty much my Monday routine. I always do laundry, or at least the clothes, on Monday. And if you're interested in my weekly cleaning routine, I'll have it linked up in the cards above so that you can watch those too. Almost forgot, I need to grab that load and go fold it. For most of our shirts, I like to have them in the dryer for about 10 minutes and take them out when they're damp. I actually have a setting on my dryer that will alert me at that time, and so I'll come back in, I'll pull out all the things I want to hang up, give them a little bit of a snap to straighten them out, and then I will hang them on the rod that's hanging over our washer and dryer. Taking care of our shirts this way really does give them a longer life. I feel like they don't get as worn out when they don't go through the full dryer cycle, and it saves me a lot of time because I don't have to iron them. After I've removed all of the shirts from the dryer, I'll just put everything else back in and continue the dryer cycle. I usually take our laundry into the living room as each load is ready, and I enjoy folding it in here because I have plenty of space to sort things into different piles. I also enjoy some guilt-free TV and catching up on YouTube videos while I'm busy. Now the dark shirts are ready for me to pull out of the dryer and hang to dry. these shirts are hung, I'm going to head outside and check on the swimsuits to see if they're dry, and if they are, I'm going to bring the drying rack back inside and hang up my delicate items. As I'm doing my laundry, I lay aside things that need to be ironed, and this pile is really small, but I'm going to tackle that another day this week. It always feels great to have the laundry behind me, especially all of those sandy beach towels and swimsuits. Thanks for coming along with me today. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.